Imagine driving through stunning landscapes with picturesque views on every turn. Only in Italy could asphalt feel romantic, every curve a confession, every straight a declaration of love for the drive. In this video, we'll explore 5 remarkable routes and recommend exquisite hotels. Let's embark on this unforgettable journey. First up is the Amalfi Coast Road. The Amalfi Coast isn't a road, it's a love affair between man, machine, and the Mediterranean. This iconic coastal road offers breathtaking views of cliffs, blue seas, and vibrant villages. As you drive, you'll see charming towns like Positano and Ravello. The stunning viewpoints make every stop worthwhile. Now let's talk about where to stay. Consider the Sirenuse Hotel in Positano, a luxury, family-run boutique hotel perched dramatically above the Amalfi Coast's shimmering bay. In the heart of Positano, the Sirenuse floats above the sea like a dream, white walls, terracotta tiles, and sunsets that make time stand still. Imagine sipping coffee on your terrace, overlooking vibrant cliffside houses. The perfect blend of relaxation and elegance. Next, we travel through Tuscany's Chianti Road. The SR 222 winds through Tuscany like a racetrack disguised as paradise, where the scenery tempts you to slow down, but the road dares you not to. This scenic route is famous for its rolling hills and vineyards. Here, golden fields stretch as far as the eye can see. Wine lovers will adore the endless vineyards and quaint towns. For accommodation, check out Castello del Nero Hotel. In the golden heart of Tuscany, Castello del Nero watches the vineyard glow, a timeless retreat for those who live to chase beauty. It's a restored castle, offering modern luxury in a historical setting. Enjoy world-class dining while taking in the breathtaking Tuscan countryside. This experience is truly magical. Moving on, we hit the Stelvio Pass, the highest paved mountain road in Italy. With 48 hairpin bends, it's a thrilling drive for adventure seekers, carved into the sky itself. It's not a road, it's a test of who you are. The dramatic Alpine landscapes are stunning, offering unforgettable vistas. Stay at Albergo Ristorante Tibet. Albergo Ristorante Tibet is an iconic stop right on the Stelvio Pass, and it's almost a pilgrimage point for anyone who loves driving. This hotel is nestled in the mountains, providing cozy accommodations and with the road at your doorstep. Enjoy the breakfast before you take on an adventurous drive. The location is ideal for exploring the Stelvio Pass. Next, explore the stunning coastal drive along the Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre, 5 villages, 1 impossible road, cliffs on one side, the sea on the other, and a smile you can't explain. This picturesque route connects 5 charming villages. Cliffs rise majestically from the sea, creating a postcard-perfect scene. For your stay, try the Grand Hotel Portovenere. Grand Hotel Portovenere, where the cars rest, the sea breathes, and you finally realize not every race needs a finish line. This 4-star hotel offers spectacular views of the sea and the nearby villages. Relax on your balcony while soaking up the stunning scenery of the Cinque Terre. Finally, let's venture onto the Great Dolomites Road. The Great Dolomites Road, where tarmac defies gravity and every bend looks like it was carved by the gods for driving. This route winds through breathtaking mountain landscapes and valleys. With majestic peaks reaching for the sky, the views are nothing short of spectacular. For a wonderful stay, choose the Ciampedie luxury Alpine Spa Hotel in San Giovanni de Fassa. Proof that after a day conquering Dolomite corners, Even petrol heads deserve a massage in a view like this. Enjoy luxurious accommodations with a breathtaking mountain backdrop. This SPA lets you relax before or after your Great Dolomites adventure. Italy's breathtaking roads are truly a feast for the eyes. Each route offers unique landscapes and unforgettable experiences. From coastal drives to mountain passes, every journey is special. To enhance your trip, stay at luxurious hotels that elevate your experience. Each hotel offers a perfect blend of comfort and stunning views. Now it's time to plan your Italian adventure. Explore these amazing roads and enjoy luxurious stays along the way. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel inspiration.